continue to our video. Another lesson, another topic. Oh, by the way, our topic for today is all about the spiritual aspect and digital aspect. So same to the first part one that is about the aspect, and the second one is same. It's all about aspect two. So let's start. The first is the spiritual aspect. So the spiritual aspect of the self is refer to the inner non-physical essence, encompassingly and value, belief and connection to something bigger. It's about finding meaning and tragedy. So the next is the digital aspect. On the other hand, refers to the online pressure and interaction. This includes social media, online community, and the digital footprints we love behind. The interaction of these two parts or two aspects are the thing is more as interesting. Technology can actually enhance our spiritual ritual life, think meditation, and online spiritual community or virtual voluntary. But let's be real. Excessive same time can also distract from our spiritual well-being, making disconnected and lost in on digital noise. It's all about finding balance, being mindful on how we use technology, being conscious noises about to nurture our spiritual, to nurture our spiritual and digital self.